So welcome students in my new tutorial, and today this is the final topic in IT skill course 402 where I was teaching you about open office calc. So according to CBSE this is the last topic, and today the topic what we are covering is sorting data using macro. So firstly, going through the definition, sorting data can be automated in open office by creating a macro in calc. So dear students, earlier I have already taught you how to do the sorting. So this method is also very simple. Only this time we are using a macro to sort the data. So explaining further, data can be sorted on a single column or more than one column. Each time the macro runs, the data gets sorted. So earlier manually we were doing it. This time we have to run the macro. So one drawback is there while using macro for sorting. So only one drawback which is present in this method, that sorting will only apply on same type of range, although data can be different. So further I explain this concept with the help of practical. So directly now we'll go towards spreadsheet where I'll explain you. So here I am using one worksheet, and in this worksheet I have just typed name and marks. So some fictitious figures I'll type here. Suppose I'm typing triple A, triple B, triple C, triple D, triple E, the name of the students, and some marks like 92, 99, 50, 45, 97. Now I want to use macro for sorting this data. So it's very simple. So first of all, as I have told you, tools, macro, record a macro, and then when this option comes, record macro, it's dim, so we have not to click on stop recording. So afterwards, simply you select the data, then data, sort. This method I have already explained you earlier when I have taught you how to do the sorting. Sort. In sort dialog box, suppose I want to sort according to the marks, then by default the marks is selected, so I'll select marks and then descending, because I want to know the student who has got the maximum marks, he should be the topper, and then click on OK. So you will see it's been sorted. Once the step is over, you can just click on stop recording. So earlier I have used the sorting word for a macro name. So this time I'm giving a new name. Suppose sort marks, and then I click on save, and I am saving it under using macro as a function ODS, this file under standard and module 1, and then I'll click on, again I have to give the name, sort marks. So this has been saved. Now I have to see whether it's working or not. So just for that I have to type some data, more data. So I'll just copy this data, or I can just use the same data, suppose Control C, and then I'll paste it here. Now it's same. I'll just change the numbers. Suppose here 99, suppose 77, 56, 23, 99. It could be any 56. Now I want to sort. So I'll just select it, or just directly you can select cell A1. Then you have to go to tools, you know very well, tools, macro, run a macro, Then I'm not clicking on my macros, suppose here standard module 1, and then sort marks. You click on run. So you will see here it's been sorted. Only one drawback, which what I was telling you, that if I have more numbers, like I am having the numbers still here, in that case it will not work properly. Sorting will not work properly. So I hope the concept is clear. I can make multiple column sorting also in the same way. Only concept is that you have to record whatever you are doing. Like if you are using multiple sorting or multiple column sorting, then you have to record the whole process. So I hope the concept is very much clear. So I am stopping my tutorial here only. Still, if you feel any doubt is there, you are always welcome to comment. And now wait for my next tutorial where I'll be covering new topics based upon IT Skill Course 402.